Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the header size in WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, then simply type in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and then simply log into your own account and it will simply take you to this page. After that you have to simply click on the edit site option in the right hand side here in the quick links, and then what you need to do is once you click on the edit site, and it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing, and from here you have to just simply choose the header option from here. So let's say I would like to choose this one, and then here you can see that in the right hand side you have to just simply choose the icon that is just previously before save. Then once you click on it, it will simply take you to here you can see the template and block option. You have to just simply click on the template, and here you will get the option of header. And once you click on the header, here you can see it will simply take you to the block option, and here you can just simply change the layout according to your preferences. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.